So yesterday, class, we started looking at 6.2 comparing apartments. And the first step that we did was we went to a career search website to find out how much we would make per hour. We entered that hourly wage here. This is before taxes, so they call it gross hourly wage. And then we multiplied it by 40 hours a week and 4 weeks in a month. That's our gross income. Then we decided where we wanted to look for apartments. Then we started searching for apartments within our price range. Again, that's the gross monthly income, and we use this calculation, gross monthly income times 0.3 or 30%, and that's the maximum you'll pay for a house. We're looking at three apartments, so I think it's most helpful if you find one apartment and fill out the information as you go down. For example, I was looking at a house in the range of my maximum was $1,200 a month. So I'm going to type that here. There was some confusion by some people, so I want to show you this again as we move into today. You're going to take that $12,000 or whatever your maximum was and put it into the apartment search. Apartment Finder is what we used last week and some of you used on Thursday. You could also use apartments.com. They both provide different information. Some people list their information on one or both sites, and some sites have information that the other sites don't have as far as utilities and amenities. Feel free to use both and use them interchangeably as we do this activity. Now I'm going to show you how I'm going to search for a maximum of $12,000 for an apartment in San Diego. I've decided that I'm going to use apartments.com just because some people didn't like the one we were using the other day. So in the search bar here, I'm going to type San Diego, California. Just like the other website, there is a more button. When I click on that, I know that I want one bathroom, but I need 2 bedrooms. Where do I find 2 bedrooms? Oh, up here. I could type minimum, no minimum bedroom, but maximum 2. I don't need any more than 2 bedrooms. Under more, maybe I want air conditioning. If I'm in San Diego, that might be good. And maybe I'm also interested in it being dog friendly. So let's search now. I can't search yet. I gotta put this 1200 as my maximum. Thanks for reminding me. That's the whole point of today. So minimum, do I care about a minimum? No. But 1200 I'm going to use my maximum. There's 5 dog apartments. That narrows my search by a lot. Maybe I don't care about the dog thing. Ooh, that brings me to 46 apartments. Let's look. It says it has 2 bedrooms available. I see that it's got kind of a welcome lobby and a weight room. Those would be amenities. So if I'm choosing this one, I'd list the name of the apartment complex. I'll link, so that could just be copy, paste, number of rooms, or number of roommates. Well, I'm thinking 1 roommate, probably my wife and I, right? Rent per month, where would I find that? Give me a range here between $648 and $1805. Well, I bet if I say 2 bedroom, it'll narrow it down for me. 2 bedroom, 2 bath. Shared. 765 I guess I could use. Oh, unless I like this floor plan. 769, that's what. So since my partner and I are going to end up both paying out of the same bank account, I'm going to put 769 here. But if you were looking, especially like in a college town or somewhere where they charged per person, like in a house rental, you would just use your amount here. Are there any fees? Miss Hoffman, where would I find the fees? Well, for this apartment complex, as you scroll down past the floor plans, it says fees right here. One-time application fee, $40. Cat deposit, $300. Dog deposit, $300. Expenses reoccurring. They charge you $30 a month to have your cat there, besides the deposit. Same with the dog. So I could put that down as fees. You don't have to list all the fees, but you should list some if it lists fees. If it doesn't, then move on. Application fee, I put $40. The one-time cap fee was $300. And then there was a monthly $30 a month cap fee. Utilities. Are there utilities? Are the utilities included? Where could I find that? Well, maybe it's not listed, but let's see if this one is. Scrolling down, I see a description. And it even says, view the property's website. You could click on the property's website, and it may give you more information like utilities, fees, surrounding things. Oh, here are amenities. We could use these. There's a coffee station and community Wi-Fi. We could list those under amenities here. Renter's insurance. Are you required to have it? And how much would it cost? Well, some places require it, so they might say here or on their website. Anything about electricity, interior, kitchen, living spaces, office hours. I could call them and ask. Or that might be something I ask when I am prospectively looking to sign a lease. It tells me what schools are in the area. So you might not find all this information, but if you can't find it, you might put NA or questions. Later on it says if you're really going to rent this place, what would you ask? You could list that here. If I was actually renting, I would want to know what utilities typically run and if the landlord pays for it. So that's how we're doing the apartment search. Our goal, again, today and the other day is to just get used to using the search and trying to find things within our price range and seeing what different options there are when you rent places. Have a good day.